Hey maker friends! Today we're going to show you how we work two colors in a magic circle. You will need two colors of yarn, a hook, and a stitch marker. To start, we're going to use our first color and create the magic circle. Next, you're going to create your first single crochet stitch into the magic circle and complete it in your first color. Then you're going to create your next stitch, and this is where we're going to color change to the second color in the magic circle. You're going to want to pull up a loop in your first color, but don't complete the stitch. Now, using your second color, go ahead and complete that single crochet stitch. Now you're going to be working in your second color around the magic circle and around the tails to create your single crochets in your second color. So completing the stitch and then starting a second single crochet stitch, and on this one is where we're going to change back to that first color. Picking up that first color, you're going to complete your stitch and then go ahead and continue to place any additional single crochets into the magic circle in that first color. You don't need to work over your tails of the second color. You can just push them to the back and pick them up later when you work your additional rounds. This is what it'll look like when you've completed your first round and worked the two colors in the magic circle. Now you can go ahead and tighten your magic circle to draw it closed. And then we place the first single crochet of our second round into that first stitch of our magic circle and place a stitch marker, so we're all set to start our second round of the work. And there you have it. That's working two colors in a magic circle, and now you're all set to start on your second round. Happy making!